Okay. So my camera doesn't get on. Okay, new setup. Uh, totally new actually, but it may be in the same spot. I got the BG12. Let me close it for now. Right there on the back part of the wood. Let me turn on the light so you can see better. Back the wires. I don't want to pull it out. So if it falls out, then the wires get unplugged and that will go off. Alright. The reason why I put that there is because it goes in there also. I'm dropping everything. That's right. I got that in there. I will open it. Uh, Now, I found out why this wasn't working. I guess someone came into my panel and, ooh, that's getting hot. They were messing with my NAC circuits, and they were messing around with the screwdriver and doing that, and I think that's what caused it to go out. Never trust brothers. Well, anyways, I think that's what happened. Found out the other day, because when I run it across like that, it makes electrical sparks. I won't do that though, because it's 24 volts on the NAC unit. Or it says NACREM. That's what it says on the. Where is it at? Oh, it says power operation power limited zones 110 style B initiating device circuits 2 notification appliance circuit style Y optional CAC 10F module for style D initiating device circuit circuit operation and style Z notification appliance circuit operation optional NACREM. That's what it says. Module adds to style YZ notification appliance circuits and da 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 and the rest. Right, I have it labeled. It's just that I don't got the panel working, so I hopefully I can get a replacement one. It's plugged in right now. Only thing working on this thing is a 24 volt, which is this. So close that, and I will show you the other one. Now I got the system sensor back up on one of those styrofoam things that I use as a back box, which I probably don't need, but I want to be creative. This one has a back box now, a styrofoam back box. I made it myself, and I will pull it. And it's great. The lights strobe much better. I will get a horn strobe soon. It's not a BG12L. So I want one though. That's probably what I'm getting too. I asked for BG12L. for the phone circuits. For the NAC, the relays, and this is the relay for the whole system, I guess. Show you. And that's how it's put up and set up. And it will stay in there as a permanent setup until I find out if I can mount it. I know I can probably put an alarm up there, but up on this wall right here, because there's already a screw. And I put the system sensor up there before. I could put one up there too. There's a little hole for a screw. And also the smoke detector on the ceiling right by the vent. Because I had the notifier SPA51 up there. The S911 smoke base. Head. Check it out. Yeah, base. That's the setup. I'm gonna get a shelf, a bigger shelf, so I can put my alarm collections on it. Right now it's a small shelf. As you can see, the detector takes up half the shelf. And I can fit 2 alarms on the bottom, so I need to get a bigger shelf. Right now I'm using it for, it has multiple shelves, but right now I'm using it for the pull station to hold it. And maybe store a couple alarms up down there. And yeah, that's pretty much the system, and I like my setup. So hopefully I get a replacement panel pretty soon. And that's the system in the closet. Oh yeah, this is in my closet. So. And I got, yeah, alright. That's all I got. The pull station, panel, and my system sensor spectral alert strobe. I will get a chance to hook up all the strobes, and possibly when I get my alarms I will get them through the mail from ADI, because I've asked for more alarms and it's on its way. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, peace.